Is there like any kind of luxury bags that you're like, oh, that's cute, but it's like, ew, at the same time? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the luxury items that I won't be buying, so I'll be saving my money by not buying any of these items. This is an anti-luxury haul video, and if you aren't already subscribed to my channel and you do love all things luxury and fashion, then I would love if you would hit that subscribe button below and also the bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, which is every Wednesday and every weekend. Now, all the items that I'm not going to be spending my money on, I'm pretty much basing these items because really, like, the list could just go on and on and on with all the sorts of things that I probably wouldn't want to buy because, I mean, we don't all love the same things. Everyone's different. We're all unique human beings. But this is particularly items that are either currently trending now in the luxury community, in the luxury space on social media, or they are items that were trending late last year. So anything that was trending up to 12 months ago or currently trending now in the luxury scene. And I'm going to start off with the only item that is not a bag, and it's the Amina Muaddi. For some reason I put a V, and it's really late at night, so I can't remember what exactly I was writing, but I know what I'm talking about. And it's the shoes that are PVC with the little starburst diamante embellishment on them. I don't like them. They're not my style. Look, I'm not really into actually heels at all. If I wear heels, it tends to be like some kind of block heel. I'm not a stiletto heel kind of person. Yeah, I'll do a kitten heel, but I won't do anything that's pretty much above 6 centimeters. It's just not my jam. But either way, I just don't like these shoes because A, they're very expensive, and B, they're a PVC shoe, so if your feet get sweaty, you're going to see it right at the very front. Like, they're a closed-in shoe. There is nowhere for your feet to breathe. And for a PVC shoe, I really don't feel that they are worth that price point. Now, let's move on to the good stuff, and that's bags. Yes, all the bags that have been trending in the past 12 months, currently trending now, these are all the ones that I'm not going to be buying. And I'm going to start off with the Dior Vanity Bag. So the Dior Vanity Bag was only recently released. It's a canvas Dior oblique vanity bag. They're probably going to bring it out in other kind of versions, maybe leather or something. But yeah, I'm not buying it. Even if it was made in leather, I still probably wouldn't buy it. It just, yeah, I just don't really like the style of it. It's quite big. It kind of looks like the size of the Louis Vuitton Nice BB, and I didn't buy that. I wasn't interested in that. It's too big because I tend to use vanity bags as handbags, not vanity bags, because I would feel too paranoid to put my cosmetics in a luxury vanity bag. Plus, my setup, my beauty setup is at a table. I have IKEA Alex drawers. I have all my makeup set up in drawers. So I do not need a vanity bag, and I do not put my makeup on in a bathroom. I put my makeup on at my beauty station, I call it. So the Dior Vanity Bag looks like you could probably carry it as a handbag, but it just looks too big. It's probably disproportionate maybe to me because I'm petite. I know that there are some other people that are using it as handbags and it suits them, but for me, yeah, not my cup of tea. Not gonna waste my money on it. And the next one I have is the Jacquemus Chiquito Bag. Chiquito Bag. In all its sizes. I don't want it. I don't want the little one. I don't want the big one. Don't want the even bigger one. I don't want the one that you can even fit your phone in. I don't know the sizes. You know, it's cute in its own little way, but it kind of, I don't know, it kind of just puts me off as well. To anyone who does love it, I'm sure that you rock it and it suits you, but it is not my cup of tea, and I won't be wasting my money on that bag. Now, another Dior item, and I should have probably said this right after the vanity bag, but I actually owned this before, so there's some hypocrisy here, and it's the Dior book tote. I will not be buying the Dior book tote ever again in any of its sizes. You know what, the mini one that they have, it is cute, but again, not practical. It's a full canvas bag. It's expensive for a canvas fabric bag. It's not like a coated canvas, it's fabric canvas. I won't ever be buying the Dior book tote again in any of the sizes. It looks nice on Instagram, but yeah, not gonna be buying it again. Now moving on to Bottega Veneta. Bottega Veneta. I have 2 bags from them. Probably anything that they create I may never want to buy. I don't know, maybe that's a bit too strong. Yeah, better not say that just in case. But the Bottega Veneta pouch, from what I actually call the dumpling bag, I call that bag the dumpling bag because it looks like a dumpling. And I won't be buying it. It's, you know, it looks nice and smooshy, but to me it is just a giant dumpling. When it's small, it's just a little dumpling. Again, another item that I will not be buying, and it's still trending. It's been trending for a while now. Bottega's definitely having a moment at the moment. They're definitely hot right now. But yeah, nothing is really grabbing my attention all too much, except maybe the sandals. But when it comes to bags, definitely can say nope, not buying the dumpling pouch. And I also am not buying their newer bag that has just been popping up on social media everywhere, just being shoved sort of in my face a little bit, and that's the padded cassette bag. I didn't even know the name of this. I had to ask my friend because I know that she shops at Bottega Veneta, and I'm like, what is the name of this bag? I don't know what it is, but it keeps popping up on my social media. It's popping up in my feed. It is annoying me. I don't like it. You know, I just don't like it. It's annoying me. And yeah, I can't even explain it. It's like, it's kind of weird because I like the whole puffy quilting sort of thing. I like the Chanel 19 bag for that kind of puffy sort of quilt, but just the weave in it, it feels like it's too trendy of a bag. It is so puffy and squared and strange that it doesn't seem like it's going to ever be a classic. And when it comes to trends, I put in my fashion resolutions that I would be very particular about what I bought that was a trend item, and I don't see really any value in this padded cassette bag. I feel like there is a big risk factor in buying it. It may go out of fashion. You have to bear that in mind, that if it goes out and you've paid full retail price for it, are you going to be able to resell it to get your money back, or are you just going to have to love it forever? Hopefully you do if you did buy this bag. If you do like any of these items that I'm mentioning, please don't take offense from it, because we are all different. And you know, I love Hermes, and people go, why would you love that brand? It's so expensive. And you know what? It doesn't bother me. We all like different things. That's totally cool. It would be so boring if we all liked all the same things. So boring. So don't take offense. Now let's move on to the Louis Vuitton items that I won't be buying, the Louis Vuitton bags. I didn't really think all too much about shoes actually. The only ones that popped to my head were those Amina, Muaddi, whatever you call it. Those were the only ones that sort of popped up to my head, but there are obviously going to be shoes that I wouldn't be buying, but they obviously didn't annoy me enough to stick in my head to make me think about them like that for this video. So the Louis Vuitton bags that I've got here that I will not be buying. Let's start off with the Louis Vuitton Bum Bag. Now the Louis Vuitton Bum Bag and bum bags in general obviously have been quite hot, I think, for the past 24 months, but I feel like they're sort of starting to phase out. And the Louis Vuitton Bum Bag, it literally looks like a bum bag, a fanny pack. That's what it looks like. It doesn't look like it can be worn in, it can be worn in other ways, but it still looks like a bum bag. And that's why I don't like it. I do own like a belt bag, a waist bag. I own the Senrev one, and I really like it because I don't have to just use it as a waist bag. I can use it many other ways, and it doesn't look specifically and exclusively like a bum bag like the Louis Vuitton one does. The other Louis Vuitton item that I have here is the Louis Vuitton Boite Chapeau. So the Boite Chapeau comes in many sizes. I don't know if I'm exaggerating the word many, but it does come in a few sizes. It's got the necklace, it's got the mini one, and then it's got the regular size one, and then they've got like the supple version, like the 2 supple versions now. Like they've got now a PM size of the supple version and then a normal size of the supple version, and I won't be buying any of them. Now with the Boite Chapeau, I do actually like the original, like the hat box style. I do like it. I think it looks nice, but I think the price point is ridiculous for the original size Boite Chapeau, and it doesn't fit much. And then the Boite Chapeau in the mini size doesn't even fit a phone, and it's still expensive. And the necklace is just a whole nother kettle of fish. Like, what? An accessory that's ridiculously expensive. So the supple ones, I would like them if they didn't have those ugly holes in the strap. I don't know why Louis Vuitton had to put those holes in the strap. I know it's for the adjustable reason, but there is so many levels of adjustment on that strap, and those holes don't look nice. And then the last Louis Vuitton item I have, and the last item that I have in this anti-luxury haul, is the Louis Vuitton Vanity PM. Or if they bring out other sizes, it'll probably just be, I don't know, actually, you know what? I'm not going to say that, just in case I have to eat my words. But specifically, they have the Louis Vuitton Vanity PM right now. It comes in, I think it's monogram canvas with reverse. I think there might actually be a full reverse one, but I haven't seen it. Like I haven't seen it popping up as though it's available in stores. But yeah, this bag in Australia is $3,300. It is pretty much the size of the Louis Vuitton Nice Mini, and the Louis Vuitton Nice Mini is now $1,200. It doesn't have a shoulder strap. However, you can make it into a bag. If you go to my Instagram, you will see how I style it as a bag, and I use little D-rings on the bag. I also have a video on my channel, the Louis Vuitton Nice Mini, how I treated it, how I treated the vachetta, and I also mentioned about the D-rings. So basically, in a nutshell, I wouldn't buy the Louis Vuitton Vanity PM because A, I own the Louis Vuitton Nice Mini, and B, the Louis Vuitton Vanity PM is expensive for what it is. $3,300, and I think that it may have even gone up in price with the last price increase. Look, you know, it's a nice bag. It's got a bigger top handle than the Louis Vuitton Nice bag, so that's probably a nice thing about it, that it's got the shoulder strap as well. But yeah, just for the price, I don't know. I feel like between this and the cans, I'd rather the Louis Vuitton cans bag. And I did own the Louis Vuitton cans bag, but I never got the pleasure of being able to use it because I had to send it back to the boutique because I got my Birkin 30 offer. So I ended up sending back the cans bag, but I absolutely loved it. Just the style is more unique. That is all the items that I'm not going to be wasting my money on that have been trending in the past 12 months, currently trending now. If you do have any of these items, like I said, do not be offended because we are all different, and this is just a tongue-in-cheek sort of video to talk about the items that I don't like and I won't be buying, and I'll be focusing or trying to focus on the items that are on my 2020 wish list for this year. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!